Welcome to Rob Talks. Thank you all for your support. Here's the translation from the Mayan calendar for February 20th, 2026 for all three calendars. First up is the long count calendar, which is being represented by 13 Baktun, 0 Katun, 13 Tun, 3 Uinal, and the 3 Kin. The recalibration of yesterday begins to feel smoother. This is a day of steady momentum. The work is not dramatic, rather it is consistent. Subtle efforts compound now, so trust in the rhythm that is forming. The 3 Kin reflects movement stabilizing through repetition and flow. You're being asked to continue what you started and to reinforce healthy habits. This is a time to move steadily and not hurriedly. Also, this is a day to avoid emotional overreaction. I'm also translating the entire 13-day cycle of the Tzolk'in calendar. If you're interested in seeing it, I'll link it at the end of this video. Today's Tzolk'in date is 8 OK. OK is represented by the dog. It's about heart wisdom, loyalty, companionship, and unconditional love. The number 8 is about justice, harmony, integrity, and balance being restored. Together, 8 OK is heart-centered alignment, and the number 8 brings balance and integrity. OK reminds us that love is the stabilizing force. This is a day for honest connection, strengthening bonds, acting from compassion, and realigning with what truly matters. You're being asked to have a heart-to-heart conversation and choose loyalty over ego. This is a day to show appreciation and to act in fairness. Now let's see what the Hob calendar has to say. The Hob date is 18 Jul. Zul is about letting go and clearing emotional space. Day 18 is about a final clearing before full completion. Together, 18 Sul feels almost complete. The emotional shedding of this month is nearly finished. But there may be one final realization, one final internal release. Let it move through gently. You're being asked to forgive quietly and to declutter mentally or physically. This is also a time to prepare for a transition, and do not cling to what is naturally dissolving. Now let's look at what the collective message is from all three calendars. Here's the meaning of each calendar summed up. The long count is about steady strengthening momentum, and the Tzolk'in reflects heart-centered integrity and loyal connection. The Hob calendar is about nearing a completion of emotional release. Together, this is a day of heart-aligned stability. Momentum plus love and surrender equals grounded harmony. Collectively, relationships come into focus and integrity matters. Emotional clarity becomes easier as the Jul cycle nears completion. The message today is to lead with your heart and to release with grace. This is a time when you are building something more stable, especially in matters of a connection. Where you once felt uncertainty, you now feel steadier. Keep choosing love over fear, because that is your path of strength. Here is an affirmation reflecting today's calendars, but please first remember to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to help us grow. Thank you. Now here's the affirmation. I move forward with steady rhythm and an open heart. Thank you all for your support.